Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by loading the fonts you need. Pick System Fonts for speed, Google for convenience, or self-hosted for control. Once the font files or links are in place, add at font face rules with font family, SRC, font weight, and font style so the browser knows what to download. Make sure to declare a fallback stack with exact font names first, then generic families, so text renders predictably while web fonts load. This gets you straight into usable font families without delay. You now apply the family where it matters. Set a base font on root or body to cover most text, then override for headings and UI components. Once done, specify font weight and font style to ensure the correct glyphs load, include font display, swap to avoid invisible text. Make sure to test pairings, choose a readable body font and a distinct heading face that matches X height and contrast. This reduces layout shifts and keeps typography consistent across screen sizes. You finish by optimizing delivery. Subset large fonts, compress formats, WAF to preferred, and pre-connect to font hosts to speed loading. Then test across major browsers and on mobile. Inspect the network panel to confirm font files load and aren't blocked by cores or wrong MIME types. If things go wrong, make sure font family names exactly match at font face, family names and file paths are correct. Mismatched names or paths are the most common cause of fonts not appearing, so verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.